Breaking news: strong earthquake in the Philippines. A magnitude 6.1 earthquake struck Siocon, Zamboanga del Norte. A magnitude 6.1 earthquake shook Siocon, Zamboanga del Norte this morning, Thursday, January 23, 2025. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, the earthquake was recorded at 11:41. It was of tectonic origin and had at a depth of 32 kilometers. Intensity 4 was recorded in Zamboanga City. Noticeable destruction in several areas, destruction of classes in some schools. In the footage we see how the concrete road has split. Local authorities and the Office of Civil Defense are working to assess the situation. Residents were advised to remain vigilant and report any additional damage to officials. The number of aftershocks recorded by the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology has increased following a magnitude 5.8 earthquake in Southern Leyte this morning.